Getting started on YouTube for some small businesses can be intimidating. The advantages of being on YouTube far outweigh the disadvantages. Learn what you should do when you first start on YouTube. The most important thing you'll need for a helpful YouTube channel is an idea of who your audience is and what they might find interesting. When making YouTube video content, keeping track of your audience and their interests will help you decide where to concentrate your efforts. It is an excellent way to educate, entertain, and communicate with others. Here are 5 things you should do when you first start on YouTube. Define your YouTube goals. It is important to think about what you want to get out of YouTube before you do anything else. This will help you in determining the type of videos you want to make and identifying the right target audience for your videos. You will be in a better position to create video content that your audience would want to subscribe to and comment on. Your audiences will position you as a credible source of knowledge if you concentrate on content that is useful for them. Upload videos. Even if you're just using your smartphone to create the videos, as long as it's useful to your audience, you can still create good content. Good videos have a lot of energy. If you're not having fun making it, your audience will not have much fun watching it. When it comes to YouTube video editing, go with simple application that makes your life much easier. Share your YouTube videos. You can get some traffic from organic search, but it will be a good idea to promote your videos on other places like your website. In your next email, add a link to your video to engage your subscribers and drive traffic to your YouTube page. Also, share your videos on social media platforms like Facebook, Instagram, Twitter, LinkedIn, and Pinterest. 4. Analyze your YouTube channel. It's essential to keep track of how people are reacting to your videos once you have started publishing them. Check YouTube Analytics Audience Retention Report to know when viewers left your video. This is a good way to see if the videos are long and boring or if there is a portion of the video that is clicking people away. 5. Engage with your audience. Responding to people's questions or comments will start discussions, which will help your viewers learn more about your business and give your video even more value. It might seem like a lot of work to build a reputable YouTube channel and an active group of subscribers, but the payoff is well worth it. Good video content will help you position yourself in the industry. To build a successful YouTube channel, you don't need to be a filmmaker or skilled video editor. All you have to do now is to find out how to provide value to your audience. They will appreciate your efforts, connect with your video content, and return to your channel again and again. If you have a question, leave a comment below. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.